Guys, Andre here. Today I have a new pickup to show you guys, which is the EQT Support Ultra W. This is actually a woman colorway, but I got it in the UK 8.5, which is a US 9 in men's size. So I got it for a pretty good price, which is around £50. And yeah, let's have a look at the shoes. So this is how they look. A pretty clean colorway. The upper is all over white and grey with a hint of tail on the stripes. So the midsole is a very popular Ultraboost sole, which is famous for its comforts, and they are one of the most comfortable shoes that anyone have tried on. So this is actually a pretty good alternative to the Ultraboost because of the price, and they are much cheaper than Ultraboost. And the only difference is the upper, because the Ultraboost has a branded upper, so there's a pretty much increase in the price. Can have the look at the outsole, which is also Continental branded. We have a tongue tab here. In terms of comfort, I think these are a little bit less comfortable than the Ultraboost, just because of the upper is slightly stiffer than the Ultraboost. I'll show you guys both sides of the shoes. So this is the front. You got the mesh over here with the straight toe cap. And this is the lateral side. And this is the heel. It has a plastic heel cup, but in a different shape as on the Ultraboost. This is the medial side. You can see that it has a plastic cage over here, and these straps are actually adjustable. And this is the outsole. So thank you guys for watching. I'll put up a on-fit view later. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.